Hey guys, here Marta Geek. In this video I want to share with you guys a very cool feature called the guest mode here on the LG G3. What it is, it's a way to hand over the phone to somebody, or perfectly yet for a kid, and give them access to only the apps that you want to. Like you see here, this right now is in guest mode. Right now here I have no access for notifications, so right now they can't turn on or off data or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Right here they cannot access the apps, all the apps. Like you see here, there's no access to that app drawer. There is no dock whatsoever as well, and like you see here, you only have access to the back button and to the home button. That is it. And like you see here, they can easily open any app that they want, any game that they want, and they're gonna have perfect access, but they won't be able to access your photos, your cameras, anything that you don't want them to use. You could do that. So how to set it up is very easy. Let's go ahead and turn it off here. And now let's go ahead and launch to my normal setup, which is like this, using my normal code. And like you see there, it automatically switched to the way that I use my phone. Here now I have access to all my apps, all my widgets, everything else. And if I turn it off again, if I go enter another code, slightly different, like you see there, automatically went to guest mode. Like you see, very awesome. Go back, and here you go, back to my mode. Let's go and show you guys how to set it up. Go here, settings, go here to general, go here to guest mode, and from right here you can turn it off or on. By default is going to be off. Just go ahead and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you're going to see how the wallpaper and everything are going to look on guest mode here. Over here, these are the apps that you're going to allow. And like you see, only the apps that are checked are going to be allowed to use. You can allow up to 30 apps. So far I have 14 apps. So let's say I want to allow a lot more apps. I could go ahead and allow this one, allow the browser if I want, allow the camera if I want, allow the clock if I want, and let's say allow eBay, whatever, just for the purpose of the video. Now I have 19. Now here I could go ahead and switch the wallpaper. I could go ahead and switch the wallpaper for the guest mode. Let's go ahead and put let's go ahead and put this one right here. Set it up, but of course you could put a picture from your gallery if you want. And like you see here, you can see a sample how it's gonna look, a preview there. Here, lock screen type. Of course you're gonna have to use a NOC code to access the guest mode. And for example, I use this code right here, next and next. So every time you enter that code, or it could be any combination that you want, it will automatically launch to the guest mode. And that's it. We are done. That is it. You don't have to do nothing more. So now if I want to access the guest mode, we're going to enter the NOC code that we assigned to guest mode. And there you go. Now this is the guest mode. And like you see here, now they have access to a lot more apps that I had from before. Now they have the Chrome, the camera, the clock, like you see there, the clock and all that, the YouTube app, and everything else that you assign to. So this feature right here would be perfect if you're a parent and you're one of those parents that give the phones to your kids, but you don't like the kids to go through your photos or through your camera, or using YouTube or using the browser. This would be perfectly for them, and this is a feature that I would definitely use as well, because I am a family man as well. So that is it. So once they close the app, if they close the screen and they try to turn it on, they won't be able to turn it on. They're gonna have to hand you the phone back again, so you could go ahead and enter the code again. And once you enter the code again, you will be able to give them back to them with the guest mode. But if they turn off the phone and you enter your other code, like you see there, enter my other code, now I have access to my normal settings and screen and home paper, wallpaper, and all my apps and all that. So that is it, guys. This was a look at the guest mode for LG G3, which is very awesome, especially if you're going to hand over your phone to your kids and you don't want them to be snooping around your phone. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.